Hey guys, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to tell you about mindset. So a lot of people was asking me about how you stay focused on one thing and what they should do in order to achieve their goals. So I wanted to tell you something that people want success, they want to achieve their goals, but one thing they don't want to do is don't want to change their lives. And actually, if you are doing the same thing and uh, expecting different results and not changing yourself, if you want to change your life, if you want to change your future, then you have to change yourself. If you're doing the same thing uh, again and again and you're expecting that your life will change, then it won't happen. In order to change your life, in order to achieve success, you have to change yourself first and stop doing what you're doing right now, and you have to do new things. You have to change your life, and that is when you will achieve success. And if you start doing new things that challenge yourself, that challenge your comfort zone, then you will also see new results. Just ask yourself, if you keep the same pace you are doing right now and do the same things you are doing, then what you see in yourself after 1 or 2 years, you'll be the same. So I follow some people that are great in this space, and I follow Grant Cardone. And one thing I learned from him is you have to commit to something first, then you can figure out how you will do it later. So it can happen that you don't know how you will proceed further with that, but one thing you have to do is you have to commit first, then you can find how you will achieve later. And I can promise you, the moment you uh, throw yourself out of your comfort zone and push yourself, take massive actions, then you will also see massive results. uh, so today I am at a new resort, and you can see the mountain views from here. There is the sun rising. Now it's a great achievement when you achieve a goal and then reward yourself. Now one thing I want to tell you guys is, if you think of success, then success is 80% mindset and 20% operations, 20% the things you do. So I remember when I was starting my business, I knew nothing. I even don't know how would I get a GST number, because it was a new thing that started right then when I was starting my business. And and even importing from a foreign country was a big thing for me. Like, I don't know how would everything be done and how would I clear the customs and everything. But I took action. I took massive action. I got out of my comfort zone and started doing things that I didn't know. I learned a lot of things, and that is a growth curve for everyone. That should be a growth curve for everyone. When you push yourself harder, and when you push yourself against something that you don't know. So I am actually a mechanical engineer, and I also had a job almost 6 months before, and I decided to quit that job and go all in into this business. And the moment I decided that, it is from then when I saw my business is taking over and the business is growing. So I would encourage you guys to just take massive actions. Just increase the amount of actions that you are taking right now. Just 10x those, and uh, I can bet you will see great results. Just increase your goals. And about goal setting, just divide your goals into small micro steps. Like, suppose your goal is to achieve 7 lakhs in revenue by end of this month, then write down few steps that you need to do on a daily basis and weekly basis that will help you to achieve that goal. And once you achieve and do the small steps that you have written on daily basis, once you cross those out, then it would grow some confidence in you. And every discipline affects each other. Like every small micro steps, it depends on the next. So when you decided to not do one thing and decided that no, I would postpone this to the next day, then the next small goal that you set for the daily task wouldn't also happen, because you will lose your confidence. And this is what you should do. You should always uh, you should always keep disciplined, and the main thing of success is self-discipline. So when you do the small micro steps that you have written for today and for this week, then when you do that, when you finish doing that, it would boost your confidence, your self-confidence, and that would encourage you to do the next discipline thing. And like that, it is just as a chain, and it starts happening, and every discipline thing is linked to the other, and like this you achieve the main goal that you set for yourself. And even I remember starting a YouTube channel was a very big thing for me, and I was almost thinking for 1 year to start this, and I was pushing myself away from this goal, and I was telling myself we'll do another next day or next month when I see some more results, we'll do next and next, and then I keep pushing the dates. But then what thing happened is I decided to go all in and do a video, no matter how good it is or how bad it is. I'll just post it, and then the chain of discipline starts happening, and I posted more videos, and my I was very much camera conscious, and I also improved the quality of video that I was doing in front of a camera, and it started to boost my confidence also. Like as I said, every discipline affects each other, so every small discipline affects each other. And if you are not willing to push yourself away from your comfort zone, then I don't think you would see any results. I have actually also started a 8 weeks personal one-on-one mentorship program for the people that wanted to learn, because I read somewhere, I think it was from Grant Cardone, that when you see you are achieving something, then you have to teach other peoples about the same thing, and teach the hard things that you learned. It would be easier for them, and it would take lesser time for them to achieve and get the same results you are getting. Now let me switch the camera and show you guys what I am seeing right now. So this is a great quiet place, a quiet resort, very peaceful place, and it is at a very offbeat place. So you see it is in between a lot of mountains. So the last thing I wanted to tell you guys, I would encourage you to write down your goals that you want to achieve, and make sure the goals are very big, and you don't feel like you can achieve that. You may feel like you can achieve that because the goals are very big. Don't set small goals. That was a very bad mistake that I did, and set small goals and achieve those, and don't grow myself. Write down your goals that you want to achieve in 1 year, in 5 years, and then divide those into small micro steps that you need to take in order to achieve those goals. And then push yourself out of your comfort zone. Do the things that you don't want to do, and you can do anything is possible for us, and you can achieve anything. If someone is doing the same thing and achieving great results, and so can you do the same thing and achieve great results also. So that's it. Actually, I have a strong internet connection here, so I think I would upload this the same day I am doing this video. So sales season is also coming, and If you wanted to start Amazon FBA business for a long time, then this could be the right time for you to do this, because starting from now until January there will be a big rush in sales volume. So it could be the best time for you to launch your first product. And make sure you differentiate your product. Don't just launch the same product in the market that everyone is selling. um, Always remember, differentiate your product, give the best quality to the customer. Do not negotiate on do not cut down the value to the customers just because of some little amount of profit. I bet you can see great profit still giving great quality and differentiating a lot, adding bundles. I am getting that. So uh, if you're thinking to do Amazon FBA business, then start right now. Right now is the best time to do anything. So that's it. I'll try to upload this video today. And one thing I wanted you guys to comment below is write down one thing that you if you do that thing, then uh, it will be great for you for your future, but something in you is stopping you to do that thing, to push out yourself out of that comfort zone. And you know in yourself that if you do that one thing, it will be very beneficial for you, but something in you is stopping you to do that, your comfort zone. So write down that thing, that one thing in the comment, and I will definitely respond to that and help you how you can tackle those things. So that's it. Best of luck for the sales.